Hi, I'm Bill Feaver. I just wanted to introduce myself so you get an idea of who I am and look at me. I'm a man that's ready to retire, and I've been looking at some affiliate marketing to make extra money in retirement and also to have something to do. And so that is who I am. And I wanted to let you know that you clicked on a button, and I want you to go and check your email and your um, list of different ideas for earning money in retirement should be there. Um, and I also have a button at the bottom of this at this video, that you can also click on if you want to get an idea of what I'm doing. And the company I'm involved with is called the Home Business Academy. And this video I'm showing you below, it shows you about it, tells you about it, but it also tells you it's a totally done for you system where you pretty much everything is already built, and all you have to do is connect it and it explains how to do that. So I just want to share that with you. And if you have any further information, anything else you would like to know, please contact me. Thank you so much.